Guys, diri nag propose si Nicolas Cancina Sunday night. So karon Sabado karon sa gabi murag Sunday yapon nga mas lugar. Ibali ang misa. So diretong pag-video sa igsoon ni Nicolas, no. Kita ni mga murag nagtago sa ani nga kahoy. Kaya gi-surprise na si Sina. So maramdaman, no. Ila pag-istorya ang pari kay magpunyag sa ilang bibili ang phone. Kaya man siya si Nicolas nagpano. Nagluhod, nagtapos pag magsimba nila. Bonjour na sila, bonjour.
I was going to recreate the scene. I said, let's recreate the scene.
Yeah.
It's right there.
Where's Julie hiding? In here?
One was hiding here and one was hiding there.
Yeah, because the video I saw it like here, from here.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's closed already ang simbahan. After the mass, they will close.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's very quiet. It's
Yeah.
Saturday. It's
Yeah.
off season, Saturday night and Saturday.
Pero pag kanang Christmas season, dagan kay lights diri.
Lagi, oh.
Oh, there's so many people.
Mm.
When there's Christmas lights,
Yeah. Simbahan. Ugnaw kayong hangin meron kay kanang hangin sa pagkagabi ba. Ha? Unsa na ang Okay. Wala na ta. Yaman na ang misa. Hanggang be, bijoys ako be. Bijoy kay silo. Anak ka bijoy, patan ako matire.
Asa imong gig? Ay, imong gig.
Yaras uptown. Be. Orang barko para kamigin, guys, oh.
But we don't want to go into like a loud
Tuwa, guys, oh, tumoy, guys.
No, you need rest and you need peace and not like.
Ito kagyanan dito. Mabutik.
See the world you think. See what happens with me.
Ano naman si Rosing? Ya, saan saja hotel Pastor. So, hotel charge, guys, no? So, good evening everyone.